In this video, I'm going to share with you why and how to use frankincense, the king of oils, for your pets and animals. It's the best oil from everything from skin to improving mood and cellular health and so much more. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
Frankincense has been extensively studied in the scientific literature and is being closely looked at for its anti-tumoral and anti-cancer properties. It also has significant support in the literature for its analgesic, painkiller, as well as antidepressant, sedative, and anti-inflammatory properties. We love frankincense for ourselves and our pets and animals too. Frankincense helps to keep the immune system strong. It's powerful, yet gentle enough to apply to a baby's spine. It's antibacterial. It helps with skin issues and has powerful anti-aging properties. It fights tumor growth. Yes, fights against those C cells in our body. Improves mental clarity and memory. Fights anxiety and depression. It reduces pain and inflammation, and seriously, so much more. Frankincense is known to promote cellular health, supports healthy function of the nervous system and immunity, and can be consumed daily for internal benefits. When in doubt, get your Frank out. When inhaled or diffused, frankincense induces feelings of peace, relaxation, satisfaction, and overall wellness. Frankincense is probably my favorite oil. It has been widely used with animals and has a very wide margin of safety, even in newborn animals. It can be safely diffused around eggs and birthing animals. It's an enhancer, which means it is very useful in combination with other oils like myrrh or lavender. It can be used safely in any species of animal, is well tolerated, and is highly effective. Studies have shown that it is useful in countless conditions, including seizure, cancer, tumors, cysts, depression, behavioral issues, immune stimulation, autoimmune disease. The list goes on and on. It's effective topically, diffused, and when taken internally. When in doubt, use frankincense. So how do we use frankincense for our pets and animals? Here are some of my favorite ways to use frankincense essential oil with pets. For horses and cattle, apply 4 to 6 drops along the spine from the tail to the head over the poll or directly over the area concerned. You can give 2 to 5 drops twice daily with feed to give it internally. As an option, you can dilute in a carrier oil for topical use to cover a larger area. For dogs, dilute 1 drop in 20 to 50 drops of carrier oil. That's 4 to 6 drops depending on the size of the dog in a 10 ml roller. Apply along the spine or directly over the area of concern, or between the paw pads on the back feet. With dogs, topically, diffused or internal application can be used. Start with 1 to 2 drops of diluted mixture, either orally mixed with food or topically along the spine, and up to 1 to 2 drops of mixture per 20 pounds twice daily for serious or life-threatening conditions as the animal tolerates. For cats, water diffusion is preferred. For topical applications, dilute 1 to 2 drops per 100 drops of carrier oil and apply to the area of concern or by petting along the spine. That's just 2 to 4 drops in a 10 ml roller. Frankincense is safe to diffuse around reptiles, birds, and small mammals as well. This oil can be diffused or added to water, 1 drop per liter of water for exotic animals or birds. or even applied topically for rabbits and other small pets. Always start with the smallest amount recommended and increase very slowly over several days or weeks as needed until a response is reached. Usually, the smallest amount gives a significant response. This oil is helpful post-surgery to help with pain and anxiety associated with pain as well. I typically diffuse and give orally in those cases. Let's not forget the emotional impact of this oil as well. Frankincense is the oil of truth and helps with feelings of abandonment, feeling unprotected, or negative emotions. I like diffusing this oil with myrrh, with rescues dealing with a lot of emotional challenges. When in doubt, get the frankincense out. To recap, use frankincense daily for your dogs and cats. Apply 1 to 2 drops, 2 to 4 times daily as needed. 1 teaspoon carrier oil to 1 drop essential oil for cats and dogs under 20 pounds. 1 teaspoon carrier oil, 2 to 4 drops of essential oil for dogs over 20 pounds. Can be used internally as well, 1 to 2 drops, 1 to 5 times daily, depending on what's going on and the size of the animal. Mix with food, give in a capsule, put a drop on a yummy treat, or mixed with coconut oil. There are many ways to give oils internally with pets. Frankincense essential oil for horses, cattle, and other large animals. Apply 4 to 6 drops along the spine, from head to tail over the poll directly over the area of concern. As an option, you can dilute in carrier oil for topical use to cover a larger area. Use this oil topically directly over the area of concern, and it can be given orally as well. Start with 2 to 5 drops per 1,000 pounds twice daily, up to 5 drops per 200 pounds in serious cases. When in doubt, get the frankincense out. Here are 2 of my favorite frankincense recipes for pets and animals. First, a skin lump recipe that you will want to use 3 to 4 times a day for optimal results. You know what I mean. You can make this recipe in a salve or a spray, and it includes frankincense, copaiba, sandalwood, lavender, and arbor vitae. And then there's a skin soothing natural salve recipe to soothe and protect skin that includes frankincense, lavender, tea tree, omit the tea tree for cats and substitute arbor vitae, myrrh, and helichrysum. Use the link in the description below to reach out if you want info on these recipes. You can see why we say, when in doubt, get the frankincense out. As promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional link to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I am so grateful that you are here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you found value in the information, then go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell or whatever it is for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backward and live younger longer. Take good care.